Welcome all to my YouTube channel All in One. I am Lalit Matolia, having 12 plus years of overall experience as software developer and corporate trainer in various languages and technologies. Today I am sharing the job information for experienced guy who want to work with Dhruva. This challenge for recruitment is available on Hacker Earth. So today we will discuss about the company, package, desirable skills, eligibilities and challenge format, and lastly we discuss about the important dates for this challenge and the links where you can give the exam. So Dhruva Software Engineering Hiring Challenge process we are discussing. So about Dhruva Inc. is privately held software company based in Sunnyvale, California, United States. Dhruva products aggregate enterprise data from endpoints, data center, and cloud workloads for backup and restore, compliance, monitoring, security, and other uses. So Dhruva Software is looking for software engineers, staff software engineer, senior software engineer, principal engineer to work with their passionate team at the Pune office location. So headquarter location is Sunnyvale, California, United States. And who is the CEO for Dhruva? Jaspreet Singh. This company is founded in 2008 and he is also the chief marketing officer and CTO. Jaspreet Singh. The website link is given here. You can visit https://www.dhruva.com for more information. So package for this is CTC 15.0 lakh and 250.0 lakh as per your experience. So experience range starts from 3 year to 12 years. Job location is Pune and number of openings are 15. So moving to the next slide. Companies having some desirable candidates who are having the skills in C, C++ and then Python. So you are having 3+ years of software development experience in C, C++, Python. Should be a computer science graduate with strong fundamentals and problem solving abilities, should have strong systems programming expertise, a strong understanding of complex concepts related to computer architectures, data structures and programming practices. And companies also asking about some Linux concepts and then operating system concepts, okay, related to the storage, microservices and web technologies also. Candidates should have 2 to 3 years of leadership experience to manage the teams. What is the education qualification required for this post? You are MTech or ME or BTech or BE as a computer science graduate. So eligibility and challenge format. You have to complete your year of experience as 3 to 12 years. You have the skills as C, C++, Python, Golang, multi-threading, AWS, Amazon Web Services, Linux, etc. The evaluation metrics will depend upon the range of experience. Okay. So there is the challenge format for this examination. We have 2 programming questions for the test to crack, and exam is restricted to the following programming languages: C, C++, Python, Golang. You can select any of the language for your problem statement. There are 14 custom curated MCQs on related topics. And what are the topics for 14 custom curated MCQs? They will ask about the Linux fundamentals. They will ask about the operating system concepts, AWS related question or multi-threading related question in the MCQ part. But in the programming part, they are asking 2 situational based question and according to the situation you have to solve these questions in any of the programming language which is mentioned here as C, C++, Python and then Go language. Whichever language you are preferring for the exam you can select for this one. Great. So important dates are, it's opened from 11th of September at 4 p.m. So this is the running challenge and it will close at 20 September 11:55 p.m. So before that you can give the exam. So test duration is 3 hours. It is the online test without webcam on HackerEarth. The link for the registration is given below. You can hit this particular link on the browser and then you can register yourself, fill your particular valuable details, original details you have to fill for giving the test. Okay, so I'm just opening the particular link. I will just show what are the process over there. So you can open this link here, assessment hackerearth.com challenges hiring Dhruva software engineering hiring to September 20, and here you can see Dhruva hiring challenge. There, this is the algorithmic challenge, and Dhruva is hiring software engineer, staff software engineer, senior software engineer or principal engineer. The experience required for this is 3 to 12 years experience. And what is the CTC? INR 15 lakh to 50 lakh CTC. You have to register, then you can participate, then after you can apply for this job if you participated for this exam. And final shortlisting come on dated 27th September 2020 at 11:55 p.m. IST. So on 20th you can complete your exam for 3 hours. At any time you can give your exam. So this is all about the challenges, what are the position, roles and responsibilities also there. If you want to read more about the companies you can read here, or you can visit also at the Dhruva website. There are some guidelines for the exam. You can read all the details one by one before proceeding for the exam. Okay, and there are some FAQs. There are some FAQs for giving the exams. Okay, so first you can read all the statements and then after that you can proceed for this exam. Hope you will understand all the process. You can register yourself here and then apply for the job also here. Hope you will understand all the process for Dhruva campus recruitment via online mode. If you have any question and any doubts, you can feel free to ask and write in the comment box. I will share the link in the comment box also. So if you like this video, you can share, comment, and you can also share in juniors, not juniors, for the experienced person you have to share. Okay, so great. Thank you for listening, and thank you for applying for this job also. Great.